the RGB system needs, so here we are supposed to write the size. So what is the size of the storage we require? Size of storage for the frame buffer. So here we are having four options. One is the 3 megabytes, 10 megabytes, 2 GB and 100 megabytes. So these three, there is option number A, option number B and option number D. They're in the units of megabytes. So 3, 10 and 100. But option number C is 2 gigabyte. So giga means 10 to the power of 9. So 2 into 10 to the power of 9 bytes. So we'll be going for this option number C here. Now what is the RGB? So RGB stands for this is my R. You can find that it is my red RGB, that means the red. We're having this one as blue and this one green. And you can find that all these colors, all these three colors, so their corresponding mixers are making the other colors there. We're having this one, the blue and green, the mixer will be cyan. When all the three colors are mixing up, we are getting white. This is our magenta and this is our yellow. And to keep the RGB systems, the storage which will be required will be in the order of GB, that is a gigabyte. So we shall be going for this option number C for this respective question. So RGB system needs, so I shall be going for 2 GB here. I shall be going for 2 GB of storage for the frame buffer.